How to remove trade history on MetaTrader 5 app. Are you guys facing issues to remove your trade history on MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. In order to remove these past executions, just go over your setting. Now click on chart. You can see the option for trade history. Just toggle it off. Once you toggle it, now go back to your chart and your trade history will be removed. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna remove trade history on MetaTrader 5 app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.